ही आपको उसके पीछे से पेट को नाभि के ऊपर कस के पकड़ना है और जोर जोर से उठाना है, जिससे फेफड़ों में भरा हवा तेजी के साथ बाहर निकलेगा तो गले में फंसा खाना आसानी से निकल जाएगा।
Ya uni ukhna batang red ubam jingbam umi lang bat kakme sakut jingbam Ryndang te uni di try dukan uyaram tepe ya kene bakran dak pareng hadin ongomno.
It was a terrifying 30 seconds. A shopkeeper came to the aid of a little boy who was choking. He performed the Heimlich maneuver for what seemed like forever. But he didn't give up, and soon enough, the child was breathing again.
Kene kami dengan lagai mobile berarut kikun penyukun bandingkong bakhamhe la sakut ye hasintur la sakut ye getting start for something in his mouth. Pe la sakut pe kami kala kulmar pe ka thap na po met tu kala kinter tu kala nyam nak po I kala sangtho la sakut ye Ryndang te kan le kumlo kala kulmar pe ka kinter kum tu kinter kum di kumlo call ketik time slip so hang tu pe ar ko banyat umla pe tu kala wan dak mare si pe klung jingap
Pendeng don ngamot kuma pendeng ya to oxygen hakikin ja hospital.
Buatan kom tu lami.
Tami tu sidron.
Kom tu. Tini
lam kom ta jingam lut gedur khmat.
Udah belami kelas lam.
Reality.
Don kibir
Kedai fact. Badon kam kum kini
Now a scary moment at a restaurant as a 10-month-old baby starts choking on a piece of pancake, and practically all of the other diners rush to try to help. But when the Heimlich maneuver didn't work, a simple device that you may not have heard of saved the day.
It's a family crisis that's unfolding in real time. A mother is patting her 10-month-old baby boy on the back after he starts choking on a piece of pancake.
We kind of hit him on the back, thought, okay, he's got this, he's gonna get it down.
But the little guy's parents, John and Jane Kohler, quickly realize this is serious.
He was turning blue, and it happened really fast. You can see on the video where I turn him over, and at that point, he looked really bad. Like, I thought, okay, this is not good, and that's when I yelled for help.
You can see the look of horror on the people around them as mom and dad start delivering back blows.
Hitting him hard, and nothing was working. At that point, Gabriel is unconscious.
Eyes rolled back.
Eyes rolled back in his head, completely limp, blue from head to toe. I thought that he was gonna die.
Panic erupts. Now, watch as this guy leaps from his table at the Eggs Up Grill in Ballantyne, South Carolina.
You can hear immediately in her voice it was not a good situation.
But he's not going towards the commotion. He's going outside. Then he runs back in. He's got something in his hands. But what is it? He tells mom to put little Gabriel on the table.
I'll never forget she lifted him up and trusted me to like a last hope.
Major Hillard had a device in his car called a life vac, which he suctioned to little Gabriel's mouth. You can hear mom's panicked plea. Strangers consoled the distraught mother. After several plunges of the device, a miracle.
As soon as I did that last pull, his eyes popped open and he started gasping for air.
Mom and dad embrace in relief.
Good to see you, brother.
We were there as John, Jane, and little Gabriel reunited with the Good Samaritan.
I remember hugging him and almost just like breaking down because he's a man who saved my child's life.
So, what is LifeVac? It's a portable airway clearing device. Arthur Lee, the founder and CEO of LifeVac, put a piece of pancake in a dummy's mouth to show how it works.
As simple as place, push, pull.
Just like it did with little Gabriel.
That gentleman had the device in his car for almost 5 years, and he had never needed it before.
Says on these designs, this is the official LifeVac with a good grip, so you can actually get a good grip on it and push down. This one is small and uncomfortable and slips off. This top can be easily manipulated. The official LifeVac stays means there's a lot better suction created in here. This one has the valve right in the middle, and the official LifeVac has the valve on the side. It's right here and pushes the excess air out through here. It's not, there's no suction. When you do this one, you feel like it coming out. This one doesn't work. This one works. LifeVac.
There's over 700 reported lives saved with the LifeVac.
LifeVac is FDA regulated and made in the USA.
Ni way pa di da way. Pe ni kan khon kla jingam lun. Yarap ni khpa. Pe ka jingam jong kan jingam ni ka khna.